This 5-minute solution will show you how to duplicate Facebook and Instagram post in Meta Business Suite. Open your Meta Business Suite and make sure to select here your business account. And now click on Content, and here make sure to select Post and Reels, and you will get here all of your Facebook and Instagram post. And now to duplicate any post, just click on this three dot and here click on Duplicate Post. And here you can add a photo by clicking here. You can change the post description here, and you can also schedule the post here. And now post to, click here and select the page, Facebook page or Instagram page where you want to post or duplicate the post. Then all you have to do is just click on publish. As you can see, my post has been duplicated. To find out a specific post to duplicate, you can use this search box, or you can use the time or date range from here. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.